So the first thing we need to do is to figure out who is the least expensive, and for this task then we'll have that person work the most, at least as a starting point. So for Arun, the total cost would be number of days times what he charges every day, and that would be 2160 times 24, 51,840. And then for Varun, it would be 21 times 2400. And that's 5040. And then finally for Tarun, which takes the least number of days and also costs less. So we know that one would be the least expensive worker times 15. So clearly we want Tarun to do as much of the work. So our target is 10 days or less. So if we start with 10 days and we have Tarun work every single day, then Tarun does 1/15 of a job every day. So in 10 days, he would have completed 10 over 15 or 2/3 of a job. And the cost would be his daily cost, which is 2160 times the number of days. So that's the amount we have to pay to Tarun. Now next, to decide between the next worker, we're going to choose Varun because Varun costs less than that of Arun. Now we have done 2/3 of a job. Remaining job is 1/3 left. And if we look at Varun, his rate is 1/21st of a job per day. So if we have him work for 7 days, then he would have done 1/3 of a job. And in fact, we don't really need Arun to do anything. So if we just have Varun do work for 7 days, that would complete the job because he would have done 1/3 of the remaining job and 2/3 is already completed. So the cost would be Varun's daily cost, which is 2,400 times 7. So that's 2,400 times 7, 16,800. And I just have to add these two, which would be 38,400 rupees, which is choice A.